Cheap Glock, clap quicker, hot mosquito.
This is the reason why they hate Vybz Kartel. This is why when Vybz Kartel drop an album, them act as if them don't see it. This is why when Vybz Kartel music come out, them act as if them don't see it. But we don't care. We don't need them for like we. Because we not beg friend and we not buy friend.
My buy friend, I who them? Want to see when me buy my son the new bed.
We'll buy Liquor Vibes, the new Benz. Anyway, people, we're going to talk about cheap Glock and we're going to break it down and detonate it. Let's kick it.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Cartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva.
So people, Vybz Kartel is not human. Vybz Kartel is not from here.
Punish Stone. Yo, fam, buck now.
He's not a part of Earth. Him just passing through.
Cheap Glock, clap quicker, hot mosquito. Grab that trigger, drop that nigga.
The Vybz Kartel song, yeah? Anybody will want to take over dancehall. If your entire catalog combined don't sound like this one song, stop trying. If your entire catalog don't have lyrics like these, stop trying. If your entire, me not even ask you for one, or two or three or four or five or six. I am saying your entire catalog, put it together, compile it, bag it up in a one bag, and you say if it not sound like nothing, me not even give you the whole song. If it not sound like one verse in another song here, stop trying. Vybz Kartel is on a pedestal. He's elite. Him just different, and him cannot ever be defeated.
School pick him up, boy, hot spot quicker. Be a killer, yeah, Nazi black swash sticker. Every house like every bar stop stack liquor.
Pull up in a black Beamer, scrap the back window. When you scrap the back window in a car, you basically take a little bit and you just can see out there, so nobody can really see what's going on inside, but you just crack it little bit so a little piece of it left out.
Up in a black Beamer, scrap the back window, Glock in a and hot finger, lock drop timber. Them my Instagram top killer, villain at Tinder drop.
Vybz Kartel basically, I said, when we pull up in the black Beamer and we crack the back window, Glock in a hand, hot finger, beat, on half a drop like timber. Them my Instagram top killer, villain and Tinder. Tinder is also a social media site. Vybz Kartel say them a Instagram top killer. So them on Instagram attack a bag of thing.
Top digger spot for your hopscotch nigga. Your team this a much bigger flap la liga.
Then the man say, you see after them drop top, big up drop top on a record, yeah. Very good rhythm it shell, dig a spot for your hopscotch nigga. So Vybz Kartel say one time we roll down the window and we beat it with the hot finger, boy drop like timber. After them drop top, just dig a spot for them, cause all him a do a play hopscotch. The man then say, pick your team. This your match a big flop La Liga. Flop La Liga is the biggest international male game in the world. And Vybz Kartel said the way all this a shooting and a shootout here go on, it a go flop La Liga.
Killer, my daddy, that's Godzilla. Do this we see the mad zigga knock Axe Villa. Feds for your backup still a crash in them.
So the man basically I say, Bounty Killer, I'm a daddy. For those of you who don't know, Bounty Killer's Instagram name is Godzilla, and that's his other name. And the man a big up Bounty Killer upon a 1 year, and I say, oh, this we see, Mad Zig and knock Axe Villa. It's a fear backup still a crashing at them one another. So Vybz Kartel have a song we say, man a run up and a crashing at them one another. Ha ha ha. Glory be to God. So if you don't know that Vybz Kartel song there, you're not around long enough to follow Vybz Kartel for even depend this and listen to this. Yeah, the man them right them still a run up and a crashing at them one another, and not change.
Any boy me go for with the Beretta Parabella. I forget it, got them evil pan another level.
So Vybz Kartel have two more songs. We have Beretta Parabellum in it, and him have a next song where basically say Gotchem, and that's a song that he did with a European artist. So Vybz Kartel again making references to those two songs.
That's how you live, alright. Everybody vulnerable, cooler than the snowman, equally abominable.
So right here, so the whole I wanna live, everybody gonna get it. Nobody now escape. Me know where to find the whole I wanna. So equally, just like the snowman, same so me abominable.
Terrible, cross like the devil, look, cross like Tivoli. Boy, I'm mad up, bro. Cross like the thing we kill Christ, get semini. No mercy for me enemy.
So the cross killed Jesus Christ. And for those of you who don't know, in the Bible, Jesus was killed on the cross in Gethsemane. So right here, a biblical schooling for say, listen, just like how you see them crucify Christ at Gethsemane on the cross, I same something have no mercy for my enemy. Then it going to the second verse.
You a red dot on your head back, that a dead trap. Take shot, now your head tap. Body shell shock, you make chat, we a make back.
Step back. So Vybz Kartel say all the chat wanna chat up on Instagram. All the badness wanna go on round with on Instagram. Una Instagram bad man. In a real life, me and the villain. A chat una chat while me out here make bat.
End that, picture get snap, pull a 10 pack, fling stone. You afraid that down a bedrock, big crew.
So Vybz Kartel is making reference to a popular cartoon right here, Fred Flintstone, that lived at Bedrock. And Vybz Kartel making references to say, uno over this upon Instagram, a fling beer stone. I want to uno come like some cartoon, a Fred Flintstone, uno be. And the name is really Fred Flintstone. But Vybz Kartel twisted it and said Fred Flintstone because them over there saw a Flintstone like Fred Flintstone, the cartoon character who lived at Bedrock.
Get hot when the techna mince bones color get crack like a head drop. Flip mode, bust a sense strap for the ends like.
Why bones mince up, color crack like a egg drop. Simple like that, it crash. Flip mode, Busta Sense strap for the ends lock. Vybz Kartel is making reference to Busta Rhymes, who was a part of a crew called Flip Mode Squad. In the days, it was Flip Mode Squad. So the man said Busta Rhymes basically link him up, send him the strap so the ends well locked.
Tesha, we no play skimmage badness. Target murder, no target practice. Light them body bonnet, hot spliff.
Tasha, we no play scrimmage badness. Target murder, no target practice. Light them body, bonnet, hot spliff. He. So the man basically I said, listen to me. Una talk about target practice. I'm not going to use for target practice because I chat up on the mouth. A target murder. You see when we come with the parabellum in the black beamer, wind down the window, no practice now happen. None of them not going to stay. None of them not going to miss because we know where the whole I want to live. And right now a target murder. After the damage is done and drop top, dig the spot, I just smoke up a spliff and light up my weed. Oh yeah. Nothing no day if you go okay and just laugh 2 times. Hey.
So you say you're special but you're very average. You sing about killing, we are real savage. Young a back walk hard and make killers active.
On over the start chat up on the mouth. I go on like una bad man. I go on like una do crime. I go on like una step on murder. Una do nothing. Una average. Una skimmage baller. I'm not even a look pound. So nobody come feel special. Sing about killing. We are real savage. Una over this a sing about so una bad man and una kill and this listening in a real life we are the real savage and we have no time to prove nothing to a boy.
Country but I no last we a bring. Cheap black, clap quicker, hot mosquito, grab that trigger, drop that nigga.
So Vybz Kartel in a nutshell I say all down a country. Are we control Kingston? Are we control Roundtown? Are we control country? And nobody thinks that the man them down they have no cutlass. Anyway people, I give this song 10 out of 10. Anybody who want to hype up themselves and think so them can nuff up them skins and try this Vybz Kartel, do so at your own liberty. Anyway, tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. How much you give this song? As I said, I give it 10 out of 10 for lyrical prowess, content, and everything. So let's have a discussion. And as per usual, we will talk it through. Have a good evening. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell. If you're not yet, smash the like button on this video. Smash the like button and send this out. I'm out.